Hello everyone, my name is Afan Maduka, and I'm a third-year medical student at Southern Illinois University School of Medicine. Today I want to discuss how to utilize our Health Matters for Men brochure provided by SIU Correctional Medicine. This user-friendly tool offers quick access to information about various health risks for men, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, also called hypertension, strokes, and sexually transmitted diseases. Additionally, it suggests ways to promote wellness through nutrition and exercise. For a better understanding of these topics, simply pull the tab until the purple dot appears next to your desired selection. For instance, if you wish to learn more about diabetes, just pull the tab till you get to your desired section, and bam, you've got all the information you need right there. On behalf of SIU Correctional Medicine, I hope this brochure enhances your medical knowledge while helping you advocate for yourself with your healthcare providers. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a pleasant day.